Hello everyone, welcome back to another Python string function experiment. This video I'm going to show you about an essential function in Python string that I've learned a few days ago. Alright, this video I have three functions to show you. Okay, let's see. So I want you to look at the corner when I press P to play. Now you can see a property or a variable named txt. Okay, it shows you about three types of the letter. They include letter A, letter B, and letter C. So now I'm gonna press some button, and I added the first one, spacebar button. Okay, let me press spacebar, and you can see some of a letter A turns to letter O is a letter O. Alright, and I added a second button sensor is button Q on my keyboard. Okay, if I hit Q on my keyboard, you can see letter O turns to letter A, and the third condition that I added in Python script, in the right side you can see, if I place A on my keyboard, okay, let's see what happened. Alright, you can see if I press A on my keyboard, you can see it looks like I add letter O one by one. You can see, and now back to hit spacebar, and now I'm going to hit button A, button Q. Alright, let's look at my Python script. Now you can see in this activity, this line mean. Alright, if I press spacebar or the sensor name SP is positive and the second condition, so this second condition means if letter A is in this string value. Now this Python script, this line is activate. Alright, and now I want you to look at this function. This function means replace letter A to and turn to letter O, and this number one means A turn to letter O for 1, but this line means turn letter O to letter A by 12. Alright, and the last one, so this means just add a letter O in the last of string, like you can see. Okay, look at the corner of the screen on the left up. You can see I have for 5A, 4 letter B, and 5 letters C. Okay, so the reason I want to use this function and bring it to my game because I want you to imagine like this. Alright, a long time I made about slot inventory system, and now I want to bring Python string to make something like this. I want to make inventory system by using Python string. So I think I can do it, and the next video I will show you about how to move an item for one place to another place. Alright, this is the reason why I want to share about my idea and shows you about an essential function in Python string. Alright, and the next video I hope I have to bring all of them to my experiment, and you can see in very soon. This video, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.